Hey guys, welcome back to Cook Eat Enjoy Food. If you are new here, you are always welcome, and don't forget to subscribe and also hit that notification bell so that you can get notified whenever I upload a video. And if you enjoyed the video, go ahead and like it really helps. So let's get into the video. So in today's video, I'll be doing the delicious tuna pasta salad, or some people also call it macaroni tuna salad, or yes, whatever you call it. That's what I'm going to do today. So here I'm having my pasta with me, and this is elbow. I'm having some elbow macaroni here, and the amount is I'm using 2 cups of macaroni, but you can increase or decrease the amount depending on how many people you are serving for. So what we are going to do now, we're just going to cook this. I'm having my water filled in a pot and it has come to a boil. So what I'm going to do now, I'll be just adding some salt, a little bit of salt, and also some oil, just some cooking oil, regular cooking oil. Just put it in there, and then I'm just going to dump my pasta in there. Just mix it together nicely, and we are going to let this cook for around about 9 to 11 minutes. Make sure you stir occasionally, and the other thing is that you must cook it uncovered. So don't cover it, because if you cover it, you're gonna have a mess in your kitchen. So while our pasta is cooking in the background, we are going to do the dressing. What I really like about this recipe is that you can always add what you like and remove what you don't like, add what you have and just keep what you don't have. So it's kind of an inspiration recipe video. Now my ingredients or the dressing, the ingredients for the dressing are, we are going to need 2 eggs. So these are just boiled eggs. I like using boiled eggs because they enhance the flavor of the salad. What you're going to do, you're just going to mash it. You can use whatever, you can cut it. You can always cut it or dice it with a knife, but I'm just going to use a fork. Sorry if you hear some extra noise, it's just my pasta boiling. Now I'm just going to smash this up just like this. It's making a mess. Make sure you wash your hands, guys. I hope you are all keeping safe, you are all washing your hands. If you don't like eggs, you can always just skip the egg part, you know. So I'm just going to place this in a bowl. To the eggs, I'm going to add some carrots. So what you're going to do, we're just going to peel the carrots, and then we're just going to dice them into little, either dice or shred them into little cubes. I added the carrots in my mixing bowl. Carrots and the egg, I'm just going to add an onion. I'm using a red onion. This is just to make the color pop a little bit, but you can also use just a regular normal onion. You can also use some spring onion, it will be good. So I'm just going to dice this. So you just want to dice it up, and then you add it into the bowl. To that, I'm going to add my can of tuna. I'm using the one in vegetable oil. So if you really don't like tuna, you can substitute this with chicken, shredded chicken. You just cook up some chicken and then you just remove the bones, shred it with your hands or a fork or whatever, and just dump it in there. So I'm actually going to drain the oil out. If you don't have chicken or tuna, you can still just proceed with the recipe. You're really going to just get a very, very delicious macaroni salad. Now we're just going to mix this up nicely. To add our mayonnaise, I will first start with 2 tablespoons of mayonnaise, and then I will see if I need more. You can also add some milk if you want it to be much more creamier and be much more rich, but I'm not going to add milk to this. And then I'm just going to add some tomato sauce or ketchup. I'm just going to eyeball everything now and just mix it well. Salt, just a little bit of salt, some paprika. You just play around with the spices that you have at hand, and some peri-peri. I'm using aromat peri-peri. It's not sponsored. It would be good if it was sponsored, but I just like aromat, so yes, just using some aromat peri-peri and some natural tasty seasoning, also from aromat. Going to add a little bit of that, and we are not going to forget the sugar. We need the sugar, so I'll be adding just a little bit of sugar, and then you just taste it and see what you need. I'm also just going to add a little bit of black pepper or white pepper. I'm just going to add a little bit of pepper, and then you just mix everything together. You're just going to let this sit in the fridge until the macaroni is cooked. So our pasta is nice and cooked. In it, we are now just going to strain it. Just going to put it in the strainer, okay? And then I'm just going to run some cold water and just rinse it with some cold water. Just going to let it sit there and drain very, very well, and also cool off so that we can add the dressing to it. So the macaroni has really drained well and it's cool. I'm just going to add this into our mixing bowl. And then we're just going to fold the macaroni in. So for this salad, I'm going to serve it cold. So just after mixing everything together, just pop it into the fridge. But if you are in a real hurry, you can just serve it already. I'm just going to let this cool for around about 1 hour or so, and then I'll come back so that I can plate it or serve it. This is our macaroni, guys. Salad. It is so delicious, and it's best served when it is cold or cool enough. So I'm just going to garnish it with some parsley. Just going to put some parsley there. I've been requesting you guys to ask me some questions that you might be having, and I promise that I'll be answering them in my upcoming videos. So I did get some response at last. A lot of you guys asked why I don't show my face in all my videos. Actually, in all my videos, why don't I show my face. So I don't show my face in the videos because I'm actually not comfortable showing it. So I'm not really comfortable showing my face on camera. And the other thing is that also, if I were to show my face, I really don't have equipment to just get the perfect angle. So yeah, probably in the future, if I get the right equipment and I'm more comfortable talking to the camera, I might show my face. Thank you guys for the support. Even though I'm not showing my face, I really appreciate the support, the sweet comments you are always giving me. I really do appreciate it. And yes, just to top it all off, here is the macaroni salad. You guys should try this out. It is so delicious, and you can just wash it down with some cold, refreshing tropical juice. I'll be linking the video of the tropical juice, homemade tropical juice. Don't forget, if you enjoyed this video, don't forget to give it a thumbs up. Let's at least get this video to just 10. Let's start slowly, just 10 thumbs up. So if you can get this video to 10 thumbs up, I really appreciate it. It really helps. Don't forget to cook, eat, and enjoy your food. Bye. See you in the next video.